We have number 15. We also have number 6.
Number 7.
So, okay na. All their costumes are unique.
Yes.
And they are all traditional Filipiniana. Right? So, for me, all of them are really winners, but there are only 2 who will be able to receive trophies dahil dalawa lang ang napagawa ng trophy.
Yes, but they will all receive cash prize.
Everyone will receive cash prizes of €25 each.
Yes.
Okay.
So, okay na po dyan, Jeff. Pababay na natin na. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Ano ba?
Alright? Each and every one of them will receive €25. Thank you. Oh, €20, sorry, my mistake. €20 each.
Simple lang sa modern, ano na yan, modern mag-award na sila, tapos na Hindi nga naman siyang buhay nila dito. Oo, ito na klase. 4 or 5? Hanggang 4 lang. Hanggang 4 lang. Malapit na. Ayan na. Hindi pa tapos yung tabi. Natapos na yan. Hinahanang mata nila, oh. Nakita yung mga pang-award.
Seven, 6, 15, 1, and 2. Okay, congratulations to you all. Did you receive your cash prize award? Okay, everybody will receive cash prize. Pakibigay mo na yung cash prize nila, please. Okay, no, bigyan mo na yung cash prize because this is alright. I can't believe this. Okay, so there are 2 winners from the audience. And the winner, first winner, goes to... She spent a lot of money for this one. Contestant number 15. And the second winner is contestant number 2. I think they're still computing.